Hello, today we're going to look at some examples of law of sines. And so this is the rule for the law of sines. We have A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. And this is to find the sides of a triangle. And this is for any triangle. I regularly flip these equations around. So this is also valid. I can have sine. And the uppercase A stands for the angle A over side A equals sine B over B and sine C over C. And small review. I know you already know this, but just in case you did not remember. So let's say this is my angle A, angle B, and angle C. Well, the sides are the things that are right next across from those angles. So for example, this is angle A. So over here, this would be my side A. This is angle B. So down here is my side B. And this is angle C. So over here is my side C. All right, so let's do some examples now. I had notes, but I don't see them now, so just gonna have to wing it. So we're gonna find side AC. So this is our side AC here. Notice side AC is right across from our angle B, which is 22. So really, I'm gonna call this side B. I hope that's okay with you guys. I know that I can use this side here, 24, but I need to know what this angle is. Well, lucky for us, we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is always going to be 180. So I'm going to add 118 plus 22 and subtract 180 from that, and I get 40. So that means that angle C is equal to 40 degrees. So now I'm going to plug it into my equation. I'll say sine of C, which is 40, over that side C, which is 24, is going to equal to the sine of 22 over AC, which is our B. Now, the thing about this, you want to make sure you remember that you have your calculator in degrees, because my angles are in degrees. So I want to make sure my calculator is in degrees, whichever calculator you're using. If you're using your decimal calculator, make sure the mode is in degrees, okay? So I'm going to cross multiply, and when I do, I get B sine of 40 equals 24 sine of 22. I'm solving for B, so we can go ahead and divide both sides by sine of 40. Crosses out over here, and I just plug that into my calculator, making sure that everything is in degrees, and I get 13.9868. I want to round this. They asked me to round to the nearest tenth. I know you didn't see those directions. So I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. When I have this many, it's going to just round to plain old 14. When I say this many, by the way, as you can see, each one is increasing. So when I round this 8, it rounds to 7, this rounds up to 9, and this rounds up to the next number. So that's why I rounded up to 14. All right, so now we're going to find side AB. So here's side AB, and it's directly across from C. So I'm going to call it side C. I hope that's okay. All right, so this time I don't need to find angle A. Why? Because I have side AC, which is really side B, and I have angle B, which is 44. So I have enough information. I don't need it. If I had to, I could though, right? So it's going to be sine 44 over 7 is equal to the sine of 53 over c. And again, I'm going to cross multiply. So I get c sine 44 is equal to 7 sine 53. Again, I'm solving for c, so I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by sine of 44. So that crosses out. Plug that into my calculator, and I get 8. Alright, so side AB or side C is equal to 8. Alright, let's do the next one. We're going to find side BC. So this is side BC. Alright, and so A is directly, so this is really side A for us, right? So, and also, I have a side B. I need to find out what this is. So, all I have to do is add this 51 plus 39, I get 90. So 90 minus 180 is 90. So angle B is 90 degrees. So I can use that information. So I have sine of 90 is equal over 27 is equal to the sine of 39 over A, and that's what we're finding. So let's go ahead and cross multiply. We already know, or we should know, that the sine, and this is from just using the unit circle and dealing with the unit circle, we know the sine of 90 is 1. So can I go ahead and just put 1? Do I have to go ahead and keep writing sine of 90 down? I think we already know that sine of 90 is 1. So when I cross multiply A times sine of 90, I just get plain old A, right? So 1 times A is equal to 27 sine of 39. So I'll put that in my calculator, and I get A is equal to, comes up to like 16.99. Remember, I'm going to round it, so it's about 17. So side BC is around 17. All right, last one, it says find side AB. So here's my side AB. This is right across from my side C, so this is really going to be C here. I have this side here. This is really my side A, so I need to find angle A. Angle A, so 101 plus 63 minus 180 gives me 16. So 16 degrees. So then I have the sine of 16 over 9 is equal to the sine of 63 over C. And I cross multiply. So I get sine 16 is equal to 9 times sine of 63. I want to get rid of my sine of 16 because I want C by itself. So I cross that out, put that in my calculator, and I get that it's around 29.1. So AB is around 29.1. And I hope this helps.